In last week's video, we went over the sustainability benefits of mass timber. In this video, we will be going over the biophilic properties that help contribute to occupant well-being. We will be looking at mass timber's green building practices, connection to nature, stress-reducing properties, productivity-boosting properties, influence on creating stronger immune systems, energy efficiency, and the overall sustainability perception of living in a mass timber building. Green building practices. Mass timber is a sustainable material that aligns with green building practices. Its use promotes environmentally responsible construction methods and contributes to better indoor air quality, or IAQ. The natural properties of wood help regulate humidity and filter out air pollutants. This helps create more stable and healthier indoor environments for occupants. Connection to nature. Mass timber buildings provide a strong connection to nature through multiple sensory experiences. Visually, the exposed wood surfaces create a warm and inviting atmosphere, bringing the outdoors inside. The natural scent of wood provides a pleasant olfactory experience, enhancing the overall ambience. And last but not least, haptically, touching wood creates a direct connection to nature, fostering a sense of comfort and well-being. Stress reduction. Exposure to wood in our indoor built environments has been shown to have a stress-reducing effect on occupants. Multiple studies have demonstrated that exposure to wood can lead to lower blood pressure, reduced heart rates, and decreased cortisol levels. An Austrian study comparing high school students in wooden classrooms versus those with linoleum floors and plasterboard walls found that students in the wooden rooms had significantly lower heart rates and perceived less stress. Additionally, a study at the National Oncology Institute in Bratislava observed a 7.5% decrease in cortisol levels among visitors to a wooden waiting room, indicating a measurable reduction in physiological stress. These stress-reducing properties of wood help contribute to improved overall health and well-being for visitors that often spend time in mass timber buildings. The biophilic properties of mass timber have been linked to increased productivity and cognitive function in various settings. Research indicates that occupants of wood-rich environments often experience improved concentration, enhanced creativity, and better problem-solving abilities. A survey of 1,000 Australian employees found that those working in buildings with visible wood surfaces reported improved focus, mood, and productivity. The study also noted that as the amount of visible wood increased, employees stated that they could think more clearly and deal with problems better. Furthermore, research conducted in Slovakia demonstrated that environments incorporating wood-grain textures positively influence creativity, problem-solving capability, and thinking ability. These findings suggest that mass timber buildings would be particularly beneficial in office and educational settings, potentially leading to better work performance and academic results. Stronger immune system. Interestingly, exposure to wood environments has been associated with enhanced human natural killer cell activity, which plays a crucial role in the immune system's response to viruses and even cancer cells. Phytoncides, which are wood essential oils released by trees, can significantly increase the cytolytic activity of NK cells in a dose-dependent manner. Research on forest bathing, which is spending time in forest environments, has further supported these findings, showing that it can increase NK cell activity and the expression of anti-cancer proteins. The immune-boosting effects of forest environments has been observed to last for more than 30 days after a forest bathing trip. While these studies primarily focus on forest environments instead of indoor settings, they do suggest health and well-being benefits of wood-based environments, just like the ones that are created by mass timber buildings. Energy efficiency. Mass timber has inherent thermal properties that surpass those of steel and concrete. These properties play a crucial role in stabilizing indoor temperatures and enhancing the overall energy efficiency of buildings. Wood's cellular structure, characterized by numerous tiny air pockets, impedes heat transfer, resulting in lower thermal conductivity compared to steel or concrete. By minimizing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, mass timber buildings often require less energy for temperature control. This not only results in lower operational costs, but also reduced carbon emissions, which align with sustainable building practices like we mentioned in last week's video. Sustainability perception. Mass timber buildings often evoke a strong perception of sustainability amongst occupants and visitors. The visible use of wood as a renewable resource reinforces the building's eco-friendly credentials, potentially influencing visitors' environmental awareness and behaviors. Conclusion. In conclusion, mass timber buildings offer a wide range of benefits, extending beyond traditional construction advantages. From improved health and well-being to enhanced productivity and energy efficiency, mass timber buildings provide a holistic approach to sustainable and human-centered design. In the upcoming videos, we'll be diving deeper into each of these benefits. If you can't wait and want to see the mind map right away, head over to the TimberTalk Patreon page. There you can become a member for free and download the mind map.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.